Hello, ma'am and sir. My name is Noria Aliuddin. I am 32 years old, single and no kids. Before I had experience in Saudi Arabia, 6 years in one employer. I had experience 3 years to take care of the elderly. I am my mother of employer. She is 85 years old. After that, I will take her shower, dressing up, and I will clean the bathroom, washing clothes, and ironing. Every day, that's my routine for 3 years. Then my employer decided that he said I will take his kids. He had 3 kids, 12 years old, 8 years old, and 5 years old. After that, I will help them to take a shower and dressing up, and after that I will make them breakfast every day. That's my routine. Then they're going to school, and I am cleaning the house. Like, I clean the bathroom, washing clothes, and ironing. After that, my 6 years, I decided to stop to go home because I want to apply to other country, like here in Hong Kong. And I am here in Hong Kong for 3 months. Then my employer decided suddenly to terminate me because of the personal reason. But I am hardworking and loyal. I am loyal and very honest. I really hope, ma'am and sir, that you will accept me and hire me. And if you hire me, I will do my best very well to do my work. And thank you.